Today we're gonna share our result of discussion about predator used in biological control. Before we start our presentation, I'm gonna introduce our member of group. First, me, Rifan Darmawan. Second, Desy Cahyanti. Then Annisa Erikawati and Syifa Fairuz Zahra. Insects have the largest number of species of any class of organism on Earth, and green plants make up the largest share of all biomass and land. Nearly of half of all insect species feed on plants, thus more than 40 400,000 species of herbivorous insects live in about 300,000 species of vascular plants. Application of insecticide is the last alternative, and their use is very selective in controlling target pests. IPM priorities control by utilizing the role of various natural enemies of pests in the field. One of the main natural enemies is found in lowland rice cultivation is predator. Predator is an animal both spider, dragonflies, beetles, and other animal that hunt, eat, sucks, and the body fluid of other animal. 30 which ultimately result in the death of pest insect.
Biology control. Biology control or biocontrol is a pest management strategy and benefit both conventional and organic agriculture by acting the role of natural enemies and the negative impact of past on crop is resolved. Biology biocontrol utilizing their natural elements biological control search predator, parasite, and pathogen. Biological control is technical of deliberate pest management by utilizing manipulating natural elements of control populars. Usually, biological control will be carried out by multiplication of natural elements which is carried out to laboratory. Biological control as the using of living organisms to reduce population density or to influence specific past organism, which make population density or decreases when compared to when the natural enemy is absent. Biocontrol is very important in environmental precision, especially agricultural population, because pest control using stick pesticide in addition to being harmful to humans, is also far to reduce the population or other useful insects.
The next is natural enemies. Natural enemies, as part of the agroecosystem, have a decisive role in controlling pest population. As a working factor depending on the imperfect density dependent within a certain range. The natural enemy population can keep the natural enemy population around the equilibrium limit and negative feedback mechanism. This balance range is called the homeostatic plateau. Outside the homeostatic plateau, natural enemies are the less effective in bringing population back into the balance. Pest population can increase within a range of equilibrium due to the operation of factors that are independent of population density, such as weather, and the effect of human action in managing the agricultural environment. Next, almost all groups of organisms function as a natural enemies of insect pests, including groups of vertebrates, nematodes, microorganisms, invertebrates outside of the insect. The most natural enemies group is the insect group. Judging from this function, Natural enemies can be grouped into parasitoid, predator, and pathogen.
Okay, the next is predators. What is predators? Predators are animals or insects that prey on the other insect. Predators are organisms that live freely by eating, killing, or preying on other insects. There are several characteristics of predators. The first is predators can prey on all development stages of their prey: eggs, larvae, nymphs, pupa, and imago. The second is predator have a body size larger than their prey. The third is in terms of eating behavior. Some chew are parts of their prey's body. Some stab the prey with a needle-shaped mouth and suck the liquid by their prey's body. Next is there are holometabolia and hemimetabolia predatory metamorphosis. The last is predator are monophage, oleophage, and polyphage. Predators can eat so quickly. Okay. According to Junar, almost all insect orders have predator types, but so far there have been several orders whose members are predator used in biological control. The orders are: first, Hemiptera, for example, Coldepes, Rupitarsis, and C. Sapinitus, family of Carabidae, as predators of living rolling caterpillars Palgium sp. Second is Otopera, for example, is Conocephalus longimpenis, family of Tetigonidae, as predator of eggs and larvae of rice stem border and stick bug. Next is Ordonata, for example, Agriosnemis femina and Agriosemis pygmania, family of Coechindrinidae, as predator of brown plantopes and falls with mouthpest. Next is Hemiptera, for example, Citornus lividipenis, family of Miridae, as a predator of eggs and nymphs of brown liveworms and green letopers. The last is Neupora, for example, Srisopa sp. from Srisopae family, as predator of various pests of aphids sp. So many predators out there, but this is for a sample. The conclusion of application of insecticide at very tight interval by farmers causes the death of natural enemies of pests that are found in rice fields. One way to overcome is by applying the concept of integrated pest control, or the concept of IPM. Natural enemies are organisms that occur in nature naturally, where the presence can weaken insect, kill insect, cause the death of insect pests, and can reduce the produce space of insect pests. Natural enemies play an important role in reducing the insect pest population to a level that does not cause losses. One of the main natural enemies found in lowland rice cultivation is predators. Predators are animals or insects that prey on other insects. Characteristic of predators can prey on all development stage of their prey. That's it. Thank you. If you have another question or some question, you can ask me and my team. Goodbye.